My name's Erin and I'm a prosthetist orthotist at Clinic 9 at Addenbrooke's Hospital. So a prosthetist orthotist is a dual role, but both aspects have the same aim of helping the patients to move more freely and improve their mobility. The role of a prosthetist is to create and fit prosthetic arms and legs to replace limbs which are missing, and the role of an orthotist is to fit orthotic devices to help support limbs to enhance function and improve mobility. So a typical day as a prosthetist orthotist is really varied because we work with a broad age range of patients. In prosthetics, I could be working with a little boy, making him a prosthetic arm so that he can ride his bike, and then I could be helping an elderly patient, helping them to get out into the garden and do some gardening. So it's my job to assess each patient and determine what device is best for them. After I've assessed the patient, I'd take a plaster mould of their limb, and then I'd go away and use a 3D scanner or plaster to shape it and make the design that I want to make. Once all that's done, the patient would come back in to see us and we'd fit the device to them and teach them how to use it. So there's only 2 universities in the UK that teach this degree. There's Strathclyde University in Glasgow and Salford University near Manchester. To go on and do this at university, you should have qualifications in maths and physics and biology, and also you'll need to be a really empathetic person and have a real desire to help others and want to make a positive impact. One of the best things about the job is when someone attends their appointment sitting in a wheelchair and then they walk out of the room on a device that you've fitted for them. It can get quite emotional as well when you receive such lovely feedback and you can see it with your own eyes and the impact that you've made on someone's life. To make a device for a person, if they don't have a limb or their limb's not working quite right, then it's my responsibility to make them something that's going to help them to live their everyday lives and help them to do what they want to do. It is a big responsibility, but that's why it's even more rewarding when they put on the device that you've made them and you can see them walk across the room and you can see with your own eyes the impact that you're making. Most people are quite surprised when I tell them that I'm a prosthetist orthotist because they don't realise it's a career that you can actually have. So my advice to young people would be get informed about prosthetics and orthotics, and if you have an interest in maths and physics and biology, and also if you're an empathetic person and want to help others and also enjoy working with your hands, then consider prosthetics and orthotics.